Owning plant or machinery is never plain sailing. Having said that, we've had this for 6 years and we've not spent that much money on it. We put new digger track guides on it a couple of years back. That was about €200. We did the alternator with a belt and all them bits and pieces. That probably comes about, let's say, €200 again. This time we've had to fork out about €1,000. Pair of tracks and a couple of filter housings while doing another day. And then that still hasn't got us on top of the jobs that need doing. But today we're just going to put these tracks on. I'm just going to show you this one side, easy. Takeuchi TB016. This is a 2000 model from the year 2000. Quite straightforward. I'll show you. Let's have a look in here. Keep my feet away from under here just in case the digger decides it's going to come down. Just going to take this plate off. Nothing, I've just found it. So in here we've got an adjuster. You pump grease into the adjuster and it pushes that out, which tensions the track. There's a bit of tension on it at the minute, but not a lot. I believe it to be a 26mm. Look at that. Should notice the track start dropping. Got to go a bit more. There's not a lot of grease coming out of it at the minute. Here we go, the grease card. You can't see that, but there is grease coming out of that now, so it is going back in. Got a bit of tension on the track, and it should pull it in. Shoe back on. Right, so you want to do that track, push it forwards just gently. Okay, go on. And we're off. Hey, I'll get it out.
Won't get it in our own way.
No, might have to drag that round that way a little bit.
So it's going to go this way for now.
Alright. Bar. I'll tell you what, just jump on it and lower the digger down a little bit. Just back up out of the way. Go on, a bit more. A bit more. A bit more. My fingers. Almost there, you bastard.
Isn't this the trouble we had when it was down the other end and Dad was here?
Oh no.
I didn't mean it.
Yeah. Outside. Right, give it some revs please. Get it up in the air. Right out there. Now I'll put the grease gun on it. Go away. You'll see that the tracks start coming up. Right, can you give it some revs? Just do this track. Right, go the other way. Okay, go the other way. Okay, stop. I think that'll do.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't want to go too tight with them. I can always put more in, can't I? So that's one track done. I won't show you doing the other side. But fairly straightforward. It's just they're so bloody heavy. That's the thing. Just as long as you do the right side, get it on the cogged end first, then you can just lift it over on the other side. So I'll put links in the description where you can get bits for these diggers here in France. A company called Solomat. Really good service. I went and picked these up. I'll say expensive, but they're genuine parts. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.